Well, let me tell you about a day that was fire. Two rappers came through to the stage and inspired. They were good, no doubt, kept the crowd on their feet. The energy was lit, couldn't miss a single beat.
Engaging with the kids, every word to its home. Inspiring minds, making feel they're not alone. Relatable too, they knew how to connect. Each verse they spit had the crowd in check.
Inclusive vibes, bringing everyone in, making poetry feel like it's a game to win. Humorous too, with jokes that hit right, had the school laughing, feeling the light.
The children loved it, every moment they cheer. Such a vibe, they could feel the love spirit here. These rappers came, they rocked the mic, left a legacy of inspiration that felt just right.
We delivered whole school Engage assemblies with hundreds of pupils across 3 schools with 2 poets in one day. And this week we begin our season of Engage extension full-day workshops promoting values, virtues and character. This improves literacy and oracy skills, and that's one specialist poet who begins with a fun launch assembly, prepping students and teachers with ideas to work on their whole class performance with specialist support provided throughout the day. Taking different poems from page to stage, working in teams, pupils play to their strengths, contributing to a whole class performance, whether it's drawing posters, acting, dancing, rapping, beatboxing, singing, playing an instrument, making props, and more. They rehearse their performance throughout the day. Then, during the final hour of the day, the specialist poet plays host to a KeyStage 2 Values, Virtues and Character Showcase.
Keep life going, God and try. See the distance you have gained.
Fun is unfeeling and unstressing. Fun can be lively and really messy.
Fun is unangry and unsad. Fun can be wrong and really bad, but not that bad.
Believe and achieve St.john. Believe and achieve St.john. Believe and achieve St.john. Believe and achieve St.john.
We are all from the same family, praising the same entity differently, divided by faiths, traditions, and religions, united by greatness and heavenly decisions. Your potential is what love sees.
Key Stage 1 are also invited, where they can hear their older peers creatively promote important language and behaviour for school and life. Overall, lots of enrichment, engagement, attainment, values, virtues and character, scripture memory and cultural capital development. Lots of our specialist resources can be found in our new Engage, Page, Stage and Digital Age literacy engagement support for multi-academy trusts, whole schools or individual teachers. Check out our website memorhyme.org.uk. My name is Alan Kurly McGeechee, CEO of Memorhyme. Thank you for your time. Bye for now.